Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best CBUAE regulated forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Central Bank of the United Arab Emirates, or CBUAE, is a highly reputable regulatory authority for the United Arab Emirates, and is an extremely popular forex trading hub in the world today. The CBUAE oversees several different economic areas that contribute to the economic prosperity of the country, including its national currency, fiscal policy, and regulation of financial institutions. As such, the regulatory framework of the CBUAE is far-reaching, effective, and ensures that the proper conduct of international forex brokers make their services available within the UAE. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best CBUAE regulated forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is IQ Option. IQ Option, a broker developed under the IQ Option Europe company, was founded in 2013, contains a CY/SEC license with permission to provide its financial services within the European Economic Area Zone, with several other licenses from other EU local jurisdictions. IQ Option specializes and offers services in binary options, stocks, shares, currencies, and ETF trading. Featured Platform is available on IQ Option's Ultimate Investment Platform, which is supported on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Demo, Standard and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 90 different types of underlying assets, 24/7 customer support services, access to their free mobile application, and more. IQ Option also allows traders to take part in their monthly online trading tournaments, which is an added bonus if you are feeling competitive. IQ Option also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a variety of trading tutorial videos, news, analytics, their very own trading blog and research center, and more, if you are looking to expand your education with IQ Option. At number 4 on our list, we have EasyMarkets. EasyMarkets is an online, fully regulated financial broker, which is recommended for beginner traders, is regulated by the SEC in Cyprus, the ASIC in Australia, and offers beginners enhanced risk management tools, fixed spreads on all forex pairs, all on an easy-to-use forex trading platform. EasyMarkets specializes in trading through forex, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, precious metals, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and the EasyMarkets Web platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Standard, VIP, and Premium accounts with fixed spreads, lower minimum deposits, no commissions, over-the-phone customer support, a variety of trading safety and insight features, and more. EasyMarkets also provides their very own educational academy, which features educational trading courses, their very own educational video series, as well as a variety of ebooks that cover topics such as technical analysis, trading psychology, guides in platform functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education with EasyMarkets. Coming in at number 3 on our list is Think Markets. Think Markets is an online broker that was founded in 2010, with its head office located in Australia. Regulated by the FCA and the ASIC, Think Markets is a globally recognized, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, precious metals, shares, CFDs, and commodities. Their accounts feature standard, Think Zero, Islamic and joint accounts with tighter spreads, lower minimum account opening balance, 24-hour 5 days a week live support, access to their free virtual private servers, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own Think Trader application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Think Markets also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading guides, a variety of written articles, market news and analysis panels, as well as their very own economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education with Think Markets. At number 2 on our list is Blackbull Markets. Blackbull Markets is a Forex and CFD broker regulated by New Zealand's Financial Service Providers Register. Founded in 2014 with the goal of becoming the leading online financial technology and foreign exchange broker. Blackbull Markets is a true ECN no-dealing desk brokerage, specializing in Forex, CFDs, commodities, precious metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Blackbull Markets Web Trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are featured on Demo, Standard, Prime, Institutional, Islamic, and Active Trader accounts, with low minimum deposits, 1 to 500 leverage, access to all tradable market instruments, virtual private server trading, and more. Blackbull Markets also provides their very own educational center, which provides an easy-to-understand overview of Forex trading, a collection of educational trading videos, trading guides, an economic calendar, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with Blackbull Markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best CBUAE Regulated Forex Brokers, we have GKFX. GKFX is a Maltese Forex and CFD broker that has a widespread presence in Europe and several other countries around the world. The broker is highly regulated and offers advanced trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts are available on standard and premium accounts, with lower spreads and minimum deposits, up to 30-to-1 leverage, 42 Forex pairs, swap-free options, and more. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are also available as a web-based browser application and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. GKFX also provides a variety of research tools, such as daily analytical articles, weekly Outlook videos, and an auto chartist. Their educational resources include a variety of video tutorials that cater to all levels of traders and cover topics such as what is currency trading for beginners to explanations of chart patterns, economic indicators, and more. Apart from their video tutorials, GKFX also provides beginner, advanced, and expert trading articles that delve into written educational content, as well as webinars and seminars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional educational resources with GKFX. And those are some of the top 5 best CBUAE regulated forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.